Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and we are going to be doing an open collab with my friend Jessi over at Hodgepodge Life of Jessi. She came up with this crazy idea that we had to come up with a recipe or mimic a recipe that is from one of our favorite Christmas movies or a Christmas movie, cartoon, show, whatever. So, what I picked was, since I had already done red cabbage from A Christmas Story, I just want to show you these. Isn't this cute? No, man. Anyway, so I had already done that in another collab. So this one I'm going to do, I'm like, okay, my favorite Christmas movies are, don't mind my eyes, they're burning. Like, I just got back from outside and it was freezing cold and the wind was blowing. So they're on fire. So my favorite ever Christmas movie is National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. And then A Christmas Story is my second one. So this one is going to be National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. Eggnog. That's right. And I have the cups. Of course I do. Duh. Okay. If you hear sneezing in the background, it's Zipper. He's having a little sneeze fest back there. So anyway, I'm going to do sugar-free, low-carb, keto-friendly eggnog. I don't know if I've ever had eggnog before. I don't believe I have. I really don't think so. So anyway, but I think I might like it. I really do. So anyway, it's going to be a cooked version. You cook it on the stove. I'm doing a portion where it's just for 4 servings, just in case I don't like it. My husband says he doesn't like it, but I do know, and several people have told me, the version where you buy it in the quart thing in the store is totally different than if you make it homemade. It's way sweeter in the store, and it's better homemade. I've had like 5 different people tell me that. So, and I'm making it homemade, so I might really like it. I think I'm gonna like it. It's using almond milk. That's what I'm gonna use. Eggs, your essentials like cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, whatever sweetener you want to use in it. Pretty basic. We're going to cook it up to 165 and then put it in the fridge for at least 2-3 hours, and then we'll go from there. But anyway, in the meantime, let's get going on this collab and making our goodies. I can't wait to see all the other women, what they do. So I'm going to link Jessi's channel down below, and then if you go to that, so an open collab, if you're not familiar and you're new to our channel, or my channel I should say, welcome. Hey. You can go in my description and then you can click on her link and it'll take you to all of us that are in this collaboration together doing all these wonderful recipes today. So it'll be fun, that are based off something in a Christmas movie, Christmas show, a holiday. It doesn't have to be Christmas, a holiday show, whatever. And so if you click on that, she'll have the whole list of everyone, and it's so fun. It's fun to just sit there when we do open collabs and just run through everybody's recipes and stuff, and just view their channels, people you haven't seen before, people you might like to get to know and watch and follow. You don't know, right? And so it's really fun. It's very enjoyable, and we put a lot of work into it, all of us, when we do these collabs, so we hope you all enjoy them. And give us a thumbs up and subscribe to some new people that you haven't met yet. It'd be wonderful. It helps us all out, and we really do all like collabing together. It's fun. So anyway, cheers. Okay, so we're gonna need the most important: rum, whiskey, or brandy, whatever. Sorry, Zipper's having a fit. Look, what happened? Poor little guy. I don't know. I think I bumped him with something on here. So this is nutmeg, cinnamon. Oh shit, where's my cinnamon? Well, I gotta get the cinnamon out. I'm doing just where it serves 4 people, so 4 servings. So 2 eggs, actually 3 eggs, but one of them you're just gonna use the yolk on. I think it'll be this one. It's poured out too. Vanilla, almond milk, unsweetened, of course. But you can also use, the Ship Shopper got me vanilla by mistake, and I have the other unsweetened regular in the fridge, but I'm going to use up the vanilla because obviously it'll taste good in something like this. I got some cinnamon sticks for decoration. I can't talk. And that's it. Look how easy this is going to be. We just have to kind of cook it up. Makes them yummy. And I forgot some whatever sweetener you want to use. If you have Splenda, stevia, this is actually probably 2 packages of different things that Purell or something, and monk fruit is all putting this here together. It's leftover bags. So whatever you have. Okay, so we're gonna put in 2 egg yolks, or 2 eggs. Whatever. 2 eggs and 1, hold on, I'm gonna get my sleeves back. 1 egg yolk. So, have you ever separated an egg before? Just out of a broken egg. Hey, not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Look at me go. Okay. Alright, so then I'm going to whisk these little babies up. I'm just going to get it on low right now, my heat. Okay. Now, I'm going to add my sweetener, whatever, like I said. So, I told you this is like serving 4. So, I am doing a 1/2 cup. Nope, sorry, 1/4 cup. My bad, I lied to you. Of whatever sweetener you want to use. Or do it with sugar. I don't care. Do it with whatever you want. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt, just a pinch. Okay, so now I'm going to put in, slowly whisk this in so it really kind of combines. 2 cups of the almond milk. Obviously unsweetened. You can use regular unsweetened or the vanilla. I'm using the vanilla, like I said. And it's still on low, my heat is. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna kind of keep whisking this. We're keeping it on low, medium. We don't want to scramble the eggs and stuff till it reaches 165, or like if you take a spoon and put it in there and it kind of coats to the back of the spoon, we're good to go. Sorry, the ice maker is making me some ice for my adult beverages. And then that's when we'll add like the cinnamon and the nutmeg and vanilla and stuff. This could take about 10-15 minutes or so. You kind of don't want to really walk away from it very long, just a little bit. So you can kind of step away and then come back, and step away and come back, but make sure you keep whisking it up a little bit. It's starting to get a little thicker. It's been about 5-6 minutes. Okay, just so you know, if you can't find your regular thermometer, you can use your meat thermometer as long as it's really cleaned. Shut the hell up. Oh. I am at about 156 and we need to be at 165. So, almost there. I did want to show you, see how it's starting to stick on the sides? We're getting there. Remember to keep whisking because we don't want scrambled eggs. You can pause a little bit, but now that it's getting down to the nitty-gritty, keep whisking. Okay, so see how it sticks? I'm going to let it maybe go like 2 more minutes, and we're going to call it good. And then we're going to add in the last few ingredients, and then it's got to go in the fridge to chill. Okay, so now I'm going to put like a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg in here. Take it off the heat just a little bit. We don't need scrambled. Okay, and then just a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. A few dashes. Where'd my damn whisk go? Where's my vanilla? Oh, hold on. I left it. Don't fall in. Hold on. Okay, back. 1 teaspoon vanilla, which you know is usually about the cap size. Oh, look at it. Smells so good. Okay, there is going to be booze in here. Obviously, you saw the Jack Daniels. Normally, I might use a whiskey or a bourbon, a different whiskey or a bourbon, but I had this and whatever. We're using it for right now. You know what would be good in here is that honey Jack Daniels, that honey Tennessee whiskey. Oh my God. Yum. Yum. Okay, so at this point, we're going to add in, I have my little, these, about 3 ounces. So you would do normally like 1 ounce per serving. So we're doing 4 servings. So I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do 3.5. I'm not going to do quite 4. So that's 2. What did I say? 3. You know me. I don't know. There. That's good. Whisk it in. And then I'm going to pour it in like a big, like measuring cup like this. Hopefully this goes well. Look at me go, like I know what I'm doing. And I'm going to let it cool for a few minutes before I put it in the fridge, but then I'm going to put saran wrap over it, and you put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. You can let it set up to like 2 days if you wanted to in the fridge. And then we will try it out. Okay, you guys, it's been in the fridge for hours. Oh, did I get stuff on me? Okay, no, it's not bad. Anyway, hey, I told you, I have 4 of them. Okay, so I put it in here. Now it's been sitting for hours. Smells really good. And of course I did put Jack Daniels in it, you know. Or you can do bourbon. You can do whatever you want. You can even do a spiced rum would be really good in this. You can do, ooh, it's very thick. Is it supposed to be that thick? You can do, well, you know, I think it did look, oh, isn't this cute? Look at him. Oh. I'm so excited. I almost went, I have some Christmas vacation t-shirts and stuff that we wear like when we do our Christmases and stuff. Chris will have a green one, I have a red one, and they'll say the same things or whatever. You know, shitters full and all that stuff. I even had one made where it says, instead of Christmas vacation, it's Conley's Christmas vacation or something. So our last name was on it, and it's based on the Griswold thing. But I went out, did some crafting with a friend, and then got back and decided I had to get this done. But anyway, I'm a little nervous. You can also put like Cool Whip on top, or make your own homemade whipped cream, or Ready Whip. I might do Ready Whip in a minute, but I truly want to taste this the way it is. So cheers. Can I get my face between these antlers? It's good. I like it. I don't think it needs, I like it. I'm not gonna lie. A little awkward drinking between his hands. I have used these mugs before, and you know what? Instead of making eggnog, or use an eggnog, I made, what was it? A gingerbread martini. Sugar-free, of course. And put that in here, and they were good. I like it. I don't hate it. I don't know if I love it, but I do like it. Should probably slow down, right? Because there's Jack Daniels in here. But I also used Jack Daniels in here because if you all remember the movie, during it, Clark asked his dad, how'd you get through all these holidays and blah, blah, blah. And he said, I had a lot of help from Jack Daniels. Hi! See? I know my movie. Give me some trivia on that shit. I got it. So, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. This is what I based for our open collab today. And eggnog is what I did. And I think you all should try eggnog. I mean, this is the cooked version. I think if you've had it in the store and you don't like it, try this. It is not that sweet, but it's good. It smells, sorry. It smells like a vanilla candle with cinnamon in it. It smells so good. I like it. I don't have a problem with it. I'm going to keep it. Yeah, I like it. I don't know if, the mug's kind of heavy. I don't know if Chris will like it, but I'm going to make him try it. That's for sure. Anyway, okay, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and join my channel, my lovely family, on YouTube, and you get to see me every time I put up a new video. If you hit that little bell when you subscribe, it'll notify you every time I put up a new video. Pretty much they're always entertaining. I don't know. I find myself funny, so I don't know what you find. But, and I do ramble, so apologize for that. But anyway, this whole video is actually supposed to be part of an open collab with Hodgepodge Life of Jessi. And Jessi, thank you for doing this. So it's an open collab, so anyone can do it. If you feel you want to put in a video that has to do with a recipe that has to do with a favorite holiday movie, Christmas movie, show, cartoon, whatever, and you can come up with something, then, hey, do it. And then you just go to her channel and let her know that you uploaded your video. Ice maker in the background. That you uploaded your video, and she will move that over and tag it in, and then we got a whole list of wonderful ladies with all these great recipes. And it's going to be fun. I really wish I would have put my Christmas vacation shirts on. Or my jammies. I should have put my jammies on. But, you know, hey. You can hear zipper, I'm sure. It is good. I like it. So proud. It's like bucket list check. Anyway. Oh my god, now he's getting loud and obnoxious, so I gotta go. So anyway, thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell, and you will see me more often. And go into my description box, click on Jessi's link, and then you can go to her page and see all of us that are doing this. A lot of great women are going to be doing this. It's going to be a lot of fun, and happy holidays. Oh wait, cheers.